In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an email template using Salesforce. Whether you're looking to streamline your communication or just want to minimize repetitive tasks, creating email templates can significantly enhance your workflow. So let's dive in and get started. First, go ahead and navigate to the home page of your Salesforce account. Make sure you're logged in and ready to go. Once you're on the home page, you should see a waffle icon, often referred to as the app launcher, located in the upper left corner. Go ahead and click on this icon as it will help us access the tools we need to create our email template. Now, in the search bar that appears, type Email Templates. This will direct you to the section where you can create and manage your templates. Click on the Email Templates option to proceed. Once you're here, look for the option to create a new template. You'll find a button labeled New Email Template. Click on it to get started on designing your custom template. Now that you're working within the new template form, the first thing you'll need to do is provide a name for your email template. Make sure it's descriptive enough for you to easily recognize it later. Next, fill in the description field. This is optional, but adding a clear description can prevent confusion down the line, especially if you're managing multiple templates. The next step involves selecting a related entity type. This essentially associates your email template with a specific type of record within Salesforce, such as leads or opportunities. Choose the option that best matches the content and intended use of your email. Once that's set, click on Select Folder. You might be wondering what this step means. Essentially, Salesforce stores email templates in folders, some of which might be shared across your organization. Select the appropriate folder where you want this template to reside. If you have specific folders, choose the one that makes the most sense for your organization. Moving further, it's time to input the subject of your email. This is the subject line that will appear in the recipient's inbox, so make sure it's clear and accurately represents the content of your message. Following the subject line, you have the option to insert a merge field. This is a powerful feature that allows personalization of the email content based on specific data fields in Salesforce. Choose the merge field you want to use, and then click Insert to add it to your template. Finally, after you've reviewed all the details and ensured everything is in place, it's time to save your work. Click the Save button, and just like that, your new email template is ready to go. You can now use this template to send out consistent, efficient emails in the future. And there we have it, a quick and effective way to optimize your email communication using templates in Salesforce. Thanks for watching, and I hope this has been helpful.